There he is. That's him.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming an eyebrow tutorial for you. This is going to be part of like a mini series I'm going to do. I'm going to do this video on my eyebrows and then a couple other videos like how to put on fake eyelashes, how to do wing liner and stuff like that. So this is the first video of my mini series, and if you want to see how I do my eyebrows then just keep on watching. So I usually start off by lining the top and the bottom of my brows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown. And I usually start off with the arch and just fill in that shape and fill in with hair-like strokes. Then I start going towards the front of the brow and also using hair-like strokes to just fill in and make it look kind of light and feathery, not as thick as I would in the arch of the brow. Then I use my spoolie to just run it through my brows and make sure nothing looks harsh. I also do that before I do my brows just so nothing is tangled up or anything like that. And I just repeat the same step on my other brow. So I go for the arch first and fill it in, and I messed up so I wipe that off. And I just fill in the arch first and get the shape I want and fill everything in. And then I start towards the front and start feathering it out. And I use a lighter hand towards the front so it's not as dark looking. And then I go in with some clear brow gel, and that is it. So that completes my brow tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!